All right, so first thing for creating this bag is I'm going to start with this cube, which is a 2 meter by 2 meter by 2 meter cube. Now, like I said previously, this is going to be like a bag of cement or a bag of salt or sort of a heavy industrial type bag. So first thing I'm going to do is go to my properties, no, not world properties, scene properties right here that has a little triangle and circle and so forth. I'm going to change my units from metric to imperial. And then, so I've got 6.56 feet. I think what I'm going to do rather than feet is actually switch it to inches. So I've got 78-inch, almost a 79-inch cube. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. And if on Y, I change that to maybe 6 inches thick, and then maybe on the front view, let's take that from, so that would be my x-axis. Let's make that maybe 12 inches wide. And then on the z-axis, let's make that maybe 18 inches or so. So now, if we zoom in a little bit, we've got something that's a little more reasonably shaped and sized for what I'm thinking. Maybe I'll thin that out just a touch more. Well, I'll go 5 inches. And we'll leave it at there, and then we'll come back and start getting into the actual geometry next.